separated wrench from Jamie.
Okay.
It's Eric's actually.
Oh, okay.
So this is one of those things that you have to keep pick locking, rotate, pick locking, rotate, pick locking.
Yeah, probably.
Son of a gun.
You're better off like damaging.
There was a spot today that we totally missed. Did you go?
Like it's not gonna happen at all.
No, it happened because you found the rhythm. You found the rhythm.
Probably.
Yeah, totally.
Oh, neat! You brought this over.
Yeah, we're trying to get it
Figured out
open.
how to open it yet?
He's getting there.
Yeah, it's just a messed up lock. I don't know. They really don't want them.
There we go. Is it all? We can already probably. Oh yeah, it's
Ah! Woo! Thank you, thank you, thank you.
done. Exactly.
There it is.
No, they're really easy.
Sweet. I'll have to do some editing. Yeah, thank you, Eric. Not Eric. Rob. Thank you, Rob. I can't believe it. It's opened.
And it actually has like a.
need the fancy one for $20.
Yeah. No, you take it apart because the whole bottom that's the change area.
Oh, so you actually take it off.
Yeah, totally. I have a smaller version that I was able to open.